Sugar and water make caramel. I'm going to make Dilmah's strawberry tea caramelized walnuts. Bring your sugar to 121 degrees, no more. As soon as you've reached it, add the tea and the walnuts together into the pan, leave the flame on, and stir vigorously. You'll notice it'll start to change very quickly. The sugar will separate and the walnuts will be beautifully caramelized. And I guarantee you, your whole house will smell like strawberries. Set that aside, allow them to cool. Now to make the beetroot salad. We're making a beetroot tartare. Diced, beautiful roasted beetroots, balsamic vinegar, olive oil, and some organic maple syrup. Add a little bit of cayenne pepper for lovely flavour and a touch of heat, salt and pepper, and assemble your salad. You'll need some goat's feta, cos lettuce, and a beautiful plate. Serve this with a cup of Dilmah's strawberry tea.